By 2025, the 14th five-year plan for railways will have successfully concluded, with the total operating mileage of railways nationwide reaching 165,000 kilometers, including over 50,000 kilometers of high-speed rail. China will have built the world's largest and most advanced high-speed rail network. During the 14th five-year plan period, the total operating mileage of railways nationwide increased from 146,300 kilometers to 165,000 kilometers, a growth of 12.8%, while high-speed rail increased from 37,900 kilometers to 50,400 kilometers, a growth of 32.98%. The national railway system handled 16.2 billion passenger trips and 19.6 billion tons of freight, representing increases of 8.7% and 24.1% respectively compared to the 13th five-year plan period.